Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Last December 13 to 15, Father Steve, Father Mosky, and I accompanied Bishop Elias in Bohol for his Thanksgiving Masses there. At ang ganda-ganda po doon. Good food, beautiful places, and nice people. And then one evening, habang nagkakwentuhan po kami noong mga locals doon, while eating and socializing, biglang sinabi nung isa, alam niyo po, fathers, masaya po kami pag may mga bisita kami, lalo na po kayo, mga pari. And we want you to experience the Boholano hospitality. Kasi mga bisita namin kayo. Dear friends, today we celebrate the visitation of Mary to her cousin Elizabeth. At sabi po sa ating gospel, pagkabati pa lang ni Maria kay Elizabeth, the child in her womb leaped for joy. Nagtatalon ang sanggol sa sinapupunan niya. And why is a visitation very significant? I think it's primarily because a visit is always an encounter. It is a sharing of one's presence, a sharing of oneself. Sa tuwing tayo'y bumibisita, ibinabahagi natin hindi lang yung oras natin, kundi yung ating mismong mga sarili. And para po sa akin, personally, very significant ang presence. And so, as much as I can, I would really spend time, even waste time, even just for a short time, to have a brief encounter with people. Pwedeng short conversations lang, pwedeng small talk, pwedeng quick visit. It's the quality of the encounter that counts. What is the impact of our presence with other people? Natutuwa kaya ang ibang tao pag nakikita tayo? O naiinis sila? Excited kaya sila na makita tayo? O sasabihin naman nila, "Hi, siya na naman. Eto na naman. Nakita ko na naman siya." Naire-reflect po ba natin ang presensya ng Diyos sa iba? O puro sarili lang natin? Naku, siya na naman. Sarili na naman niya, ibibida niya. Siya na naman ang magaling. Siya lang ang mahusay. Etc. etc. Sa tuwing dumadalaw po tayo sa iba, natutuwa kaya sila? Dear friends, the presence of the Virgin Mary in her visit to Elizabeth gave her joy and gladness. Sana maganda at mabuti ang presensya natin sa mga tao sa paligid natin. At sana mas lalo nating maramdaman ang presensya ng Diyos ngayong mga araw ng Pasko ng Pagkabuhay. Finally, in the same way, I am officially ending today my short visit here in the Cubao Cathedral. After this Mass po, I will officially transfer to San Roque Parish in Bagong Bayan as their parish priest. And so please include me in your prayers, and I will surely miss all of you, especially the community. My quick 20-month visit here might be ending, but I hope the presence, the encounter, and the impact have left a wonderful story to tell. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Immaculate Conception Cathedral of Cubao. Amen.